I don't think I've done a project before that has made me feel this satisfied, which is really, really interesting for me because I've done quite a few projects and I'm always thinking about the next one. And I don't know if this is different because it's my own personal space, but this is, yeah, it's been so fun to create this space, to bring it to life. And I can't imagine having done it any differently. And I'm so glad I was able to bring you guys on this journey. Shout out to Izzy for capturing it all as well. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what I'll be doing in the future, but I have absolutely no idea yet. But I think being able to build upon this place of, feeling satisfied is going to be quite exciting, because now I know everything is obviously very much achievable. I'm probably going to start dreaming and thinking even bigger. Maybe next there'll be a hotel, who knows? But yeah, it's been really fun decorating the space and really glad I got to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching.